Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add age verification to Wix website. So let's go to Wix editor page first. Then you have to click on this page and menu, pages and menu. Then click on add page, choose landing page, this one, and you can choose this one, add to page. It is adding, so hold on. Now you can see here pages is ready. Now you can edit the text. You can write here, are you over 18? You can change the text color from here. You can do the basic edit from here, like you can change the font, you can change the color, you can change the pixel, make it bold or italic. You can do it from here. Now go back again to pages and menu and pages, then click on three dot beside the landing page and make it home page. Click on set as home page, and it is now set as home page. Now after that you have to click on this and you can delete this one. Now you have to click on this add elements again. Now you'll find here button option. Click on button. Now choose any button you want, like I'm choosing this one. You can drag the button here to your position and you can change the button text. You can write here yes. Now you have to choose a link to page, and it should be the home page. Now click on done. Click on done. Now let's preview this one. It's saying are you over 18? If okay, if someone click this one, he will be in the home page. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.